The Wrap-A-Lock tool comes in 3 different lengths. It comes in a 3-inch, a 6-inch, and a 10-inch. The size used for the hair is based upon the length of the hair. Each tool takes up half of the hair length. For example, if you have 6 inches of hair, you would use a 3-inch tool. If you have at least 12 inches of hair, you would use the 6-inch tool. And if you had at least 20 inches of hair, you would use the 10-inch tool. We have the 20-unit pack and we have the 100-unit pack. In the 100-unit pack, you get 25 of the 3-inch units, you get 50 of the medium, which are the 6-inch units, and you get 25 of the 10-inch. To begin the process of putting in the tool, what you want to do when you're working with locked hair, you want to always moisten the hair first to soften the natural curl. To determine which size tool to use, you want to kind of measure the hair. So what you do is you put the tool up against the hair and you bend it to see how much length you're going to have to cover that hair. So we know that this is probably going to be a medium is going to be a good length for that. What do? You take the tool and you place it underneath the lock. And you leave about a ½ an inch from the end of the tool and about a ½ inch of the lock. And you wrap the lock around the tool. And then you bend it to secure it in place. That's one of the things about this tool. Once it's in the hair, it is not going to come out. And if you're doing the correct technique, it's going to hold it. And you're going to wrap it going up the tool at a 45-degree angle, like you would go up a barber pole. And you're going to lay the hair on the tool, wrapping it, not overlapping it, not leaving any space in between there, but wrapping it tightly. That's what makes the curl so tight. And you're going to wrap it to the base of the lock, leaving about a ½ an inch from the base, and then you secure it by wrapping it back around the base of the hair. And that's what it looks like once it's in. Once the hair is dry, the tool can be removed. To remove the tool, basically start at the base of the hair by loosening up the tool. And then you're going to turn the hair counterclockwise to loose it off the tool.